Happy day 9, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for day 9. I can't believe we're 9 days through December already. Absolute madness. Now today's 24 days of Hackmas for day 9 is labelling. Label, 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 label. That's all I will say. We've been to get our decks out the loft today, and it is one thing that I am so glad that I do, is label the boxes. So when I bring them down, I know straight away which room they're for, where they're going, and I can literally just move them straight to that room. Sorted, done. Don't have to think, what's in here? And you're digging through everything. It can either be a temporary label, like paper just sellotaped on the top, or I've got a few boxes that I've just written on in Sharpie because it was just easier. And I know I'm going to use them every year pretty much. So that is my tip, label everything. It sounds really simple and a bit mundane, but when you come to get those decks out and there's just no stress, label the boxes the lights are in, then you know which tree they're for, or whether they're outside or which area they're going in. So we've got some like icicle lights for outside, label those. The ones that go on the little trees outside, I've labelled those. So every box has got a label for where it goes. So there's no worrying, no putting the lights on the tree and then suddenly realising, oh whoops, I've got the wrong set. So label, just label. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for day 10. Take care. Bye bye.